Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is well. My name is Mohammad Kausar Ahmed. Currently, I live in state of Qatar. I am work in a factory here. At first, I couldn't speak English. Alhamdulillah, now I can speak English and I feel proud of it. One day I was scrolling my Facebook news feed and a post from Time English Center and I saw many people speaking English there. I was inspired by that. I contacted Time English Center. Now I am a student of Time English Center. 3 months ago, I admitted at Time English Center. The teachers here are very honest, qualified, talented, and skillful in teaching us English without grammar. I want to more learn English because English an international language. English is very important in the office, in the restaurants, in the supermarkets, and also in the hospitals. So far I have completed 15 class. Our teacher's name Rifat Fahim sir. He teach us English without grammar. We attend one class every week and we practice for 6 days at home. After a month, our course will complete. Okay everyone, see you again. Pray for me. Thank you so much.